Design of the modern dream classroom. Introduction. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic has led to students being limited in learning within the traditional method. The country's authorities were forced to transfer their students to distance learning from home, using various technical means, such as computers or laptops, the internet, and computer programs. These programs are designed to provide online chat, video chat, and a user-friendly interface for students to learn more efficiently and affordably, even while being homeschooled. Undoubtedly, homeschooling can also be practical, but classroom instruction must be present in students' lives. Although the heads of state are currently using traditional education more often, it is still possible to create an environment with alternative education that will help students study more effectively. Main body. The dream classroom should be designed so that students can easily teach both in a group and individually. To do this, it is necessary to create a layout that will divide the class into different zones, and each of these zones will include the tools required for each type of work. In addition, each class should be equipped with many visual materials that will help students study a particular subject. In addition, interactive whiteboards are needed for more exciting learning, which will allow students to draw, write, and see three-dimensional objects on them, which will be displayed by projectors. Since there is a lot of material being studied, it is necessary to translate the educational materials into an electronic version to save space for the convenient location of students in the study room. For example, educational materials need to be translated into electronic form and interactive to attract students to study a particular subject. It is necessary to increase their involvement in the educational process, and this can be done through their interaction with the studied materials. In addition, books and textbooks can also be translated into electronic format. Each student will receive an e-book at the beginning of the school day, equipped with electronic ink with the necessary set of books and textbooks. This will make learning more exciting and save students from heavy textbooks and backpacks and bags. For students who cannot attend the lesson to keep up with their peers, it is necessary to equip the classroom with a camera that will record the material issued by the teacher. With the help of a video recording of the educational material, students will be able to listen to the lecture at home, as well as those who did not fully understand the issued material will again watch this video at home and get confused about what remained unclear in the lesson. In addition, this camera will allow students to communicate via video link with professors of various fields to ask them questions on a topic of interest. Such webinars will enable students to deepen their knowledge and obtain new information. Conclusion. In conclusion, the dream classroom should be equipped with various modern technologies that will allow students to approach the learning process with great interest. In addition, the zoning of the classroom should be designed so that students can interact with each other and work in groups. Unfortunately, traditional education is not aimed at such equipment, which significantly affects the academic performance of some students. Perhaps if classrooms were more focused on the availability of modern technologies, more students would strive to acquire new knowledge.